Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can submit your assignments in Schoology. So for those who are watching, I am now in my student profile, Student J, and I've gone ahead and assigned myself to a teacher's course, and I'm going to go ahead and go through. Now, any of the courses that you're signed up for, it tells you right here. It displays it right here in your courses. If you ever want to change how that looks, well, you can go to my courses and you can review them. Now, I'm going to go ahead and go to grade 4 ELA just to show you exactly what you see. So, of course, it is the very first weeks of school, and it tells you right now I can use the course profile to view all of my courses, take assessments, see my grades, and even look at the announcements I have. So here I have my wonderful teacher, and this is our landing page of everything that we see. Real quick, if there's any updates, it would be here. I get to see my own personal grades here, and I can see that there's been grade for classwork, narrative writing, but there's no grade there, which means I haven't done it yet, and I need to do it. I also have here homework. Oops, I haven't done it yet. I need to do it. But if you want to look more, we have where we have attendance, and we also have members, so I can see the members in my class, right? And anything here is an administrator, and my teacher is Miss Warder. Warda. Hello, Miss Warda. But since I'm missing some grades, I'm going to go ahead and go back to that. Now, there's different ways that I can look at this. I can see what's coming up due, and narrative writing is due September 10th. So I'm behind on that, and I'm going to go ahead and click it. Well, it gives me my it gives me my assignment. And when I look at my assignment, it tells me what I have done. I can comment here and say, thank you, I am turning in now. I can also ask any questions I have or anything in the comment section, because once I post it, the teacher is going to see that. But I recognize my assignment, so I'm going to go to submit assignment. When I go to submit assignment, the information is going to pop up right on my screen, and it's just going to say upload, create, or resources. In this case, I'm going to upload. Here I can upload a file. I can also upload a video or audio recording, so it's whatever you do. Here is create. That means I can actually type my information or answer here, or I can type it from maybe Microsoft, and I would be able to, sorry, I hit the wrong button, copy and paste it. So I'm taking my information from Microsoft Word, copy and paste. And so it should be pasting here, and it's taking a little bit of time to load. There it is. So those are different ways I can turn around and submit here. Remember, this is under create. I can also put in pictures. I can change the colors. If your teacher says so, please don't do the most. I can do different things in here. I can insert content. I can insert media. I can insert a video. I can do all of those things. So for my teachers, I can become creative on how I give material. For students, we have all of that. I am not going to save this because I'm going to submit it in one other way, and that is uploading from my own drive. So I'm going to upload a file here, and it's going to pull up, and I am going to go back to my Microsoft because I turned in my information on this page, but I did not save it. So I'm going to quickly save it. And if I were you, I would personally save all my stuff in a folder that's labeled for that subject in case I have to turn it out or turn it in or I lose anything. I have all of my stuff in one folder, and I can go to that folder consistently. I did not do that this time, but I would turn around and definitely do that in the future. So I'm going to go to the document, and that's another reason why you should have a lot of folders, because if not, you're going to lose a lot of your work. You definitely should be creating a way to find your exams, find your answers, find all of your stuff very, very, very easy. If not, it's going to get very, 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 very cumbersome, and you don't want that to be that way. So I'm just going to grab one of them, and whatever I saved for that assignment, I am just going to double click it, and what you'll see is that it uploaded right here. I can also add a comment, which once again I would. Thank you. The following is my assignment on paragraphs and descriptive writing, because you know your teacher can respond to you and help you with all of that information. Please make sure your spelling is correct. This is school, so we're trying to make sure everything is okay. Well, then you submit it. And look, right here, it says my submission is submitted. It's on time. And if I made a mistake, I can always hit resubmit and send in the new assignment. But you want to make sure you do that once again on time. But I'm done. I have finished this assignment. I'm going to go back to materials. And even though this is due, I already know that I've done it. And it's now time for the teacher to grade it. Now, watch. If I go to grades, do you see before when I had the blank spot? Now I have the blank spot, but this piece of paper there, which means that my assignment's been turned in, but it hasn't been graded. So that's a great way for you to turn around and see that. And that is it. I hope I was able to help you with any of your questions. If not, go ahead and post them in the box below, and I will make sure that I can help you. I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.